I'm today in front of me REALME C25s, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the connection and sharing. Here as can you see we got the NFC section. Just to turn it off or turn it on, just tap once on the switcher. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just open your notification panel, and here as can you see we have now the NFC icon, but just to add this icon here, click to the edit icon, and now just here you can see the NFC icon. Just to add this, hold it for a while and drag it here to the all the visible icons here to the up section, and now just go back and you can see here now the NFC icon. Just to turn it on, click once on this icon, and just to turn it off, click on the icon again. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.